class. I just wanted to quickly give you a little update on your assignment this week. You have to do 3 scholarly peer-reviewed references. Make sure that you're putting those references in proper APA formatting. I also want to make it clear too that .coms do not work because they're not considered credible. If you do use a .org, make sure it's from a credible source like the Diabetes Association or the American Heart Association. Not all .orgs are credible, as some can just be, anybody can develop a .org or a .net. So .government.gov is an okay site. You should also try to get into the Rasmussen database. It's really good at giving you credible scholarly peer-reviewed sources. So make sure you're checking that out too. Those are actually the most ideal to be using. And also make sure you put in 1 to 2 sentences, like a paragraph, really, describing what the article is kind of about and how you're planning on using it within your paper. So just want to give you a heads up. You guys are doing great. I know you have your exam this week. You're halfway through. I was pretty impressed with the last exam grade, so hopefully you'll continue to do well in the next one. All right, make sure you're getting into ATI, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.